In this video, we are going to know some concepts of marketing. First, we are going to know what is marketing. Marketing is a form of communicating or promoting the value of a product, a service, or a brand to our customers. It is also a science and profession guided principally by the universal principles of ethics, corporate citizenship, and the corporate social responsibility. So, this definition emphasizes that marketing must adhere with the ethical principles. Okay, um, the products or the services that we are marketing should not be harmful to one's health, or it should not promote violence and immortality, and that the products and the services that serve no purpose or contribute nothing to individuals and societal well-being should not be marketed. Okay, so now let us go with to the goals of marketing. Okay, so first, it is to understand the market and its customers, satisfy their changing needs and wants. Second, introduce and innovate products and services that must improve human condition and the quality of life. Yung mga product na imamarket natin should really improve. The purpose of those should improve the quality of life of our customers. Okay. Third, design and implement effective customer-driven marketing strategies. Now, when we say customer-driven strategies, our when we are strategizing, when we develop some ways to promote our product, it has to be focused on the well-being of the customers. Okay. Next is develop marketing programs that deliver superior value to consumers, okay? And then build and maintain mutually beneficial and profitable customer relationships. So the result, no, of our marketing must be beneficial to our consumer and to the one who is providing the product or the services. So that is what it means when we say mutually beneficial. Okay. Next is capture customer value to create profits, and then promote value transactions with full regard to the well-being of societies. Okay. Now we go to the marketing process. Okay, so first in the marketing process, the situation analysis. Okay, so we have to look on to the micro environment, the macro environment, the maker, the customer, the competition, and also with the SWOT, or the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So before doing the marketing proper, we have to scan the environment. We have to know the internal factors that will affect our business, the external factor, our strength, our weakness in our company, and also with the threat and opportunities outside or externally. Okay, and then after that, we have to formulate market strategy. Okay, so we have here market segmentation, target market selection, value proposition, product positioning. Okay, so this is the STP. No, this will help you identify your most profitable customer and then design your marketing or products that would suit, no, the needs of those customers. So when we say segmentation, you have to divide your market into segments, okay, and like um, the demographic, the psychographics, the geographic, and the behavioral. You have to divide parts of your market. Okay, so in this way you can focus, okay, and then you target. Okay, target market selection, identify the most attractive segments. Okay, and then you position your products directly to appeal to those customers. So in here, In this strategy, you are just going to know your market really, and then know which division you are to focus in your product. Okay, and then marketing makes decision, the four piece of marketing: the product, what product you are going to produce, the price of it, the place where you want to sell it, and then the promotion you are going to adapt. Okay, and then the implementation and control. The implementation, the monitoring, and the marketing mix adjustment. Okay, so we are going to go directly to the product, the three product level. Okay, so we have here the core product or the benefit of the product, and then we have the actual product, and then the augmented product. We are going to discuss this one by one. Okay, so first is the core. The It is not the tangible physical product, but it is the benefit that you get from the product. For example, the core of an air conditioner is its cooling effect that a customer can benefit. So that is the core, the benefit that you are getting from the product. Okay? Now we go to the actual, okay, the actual product. It is the tangible, physical product. So it involves the quality level, the features of the product, the packaging and the branding, the style and the design, the actual product, the ones that you can touch, that you can experience with your senses. That is the actual, okay? And then we go to the augmented. The augmented product, it is the non-physical part of the product, the added value for which a customer pay for a premium. Okay, so it includes the warranties, the mode of delivery, and then the installation, and then the customer care, the financing, and the quality control. That is the augmented. Okay, the augmented feature of a product. Now we go to the classification of products. So the products or the goods are classified according to use, according to differentiation, according to durability, and according to types. Now, in the according to use, we have here the consumer goods and the industrial goods. I will be explaining that on my next slides. And then according to differentiation, we have the undifferentiated goods. We also have the differentiated goods. And then according to durability, we have the consumables, semi-durables, and the durables. And then we have according to type, we have the convenience goods, shopping goods, and the specialty goods, okay, and also the unsought goods, okay. So let's start with the according to use. First is the consumer goods. So these are the goods that are purchased for personal consumption and or for household, okay, household use. That is consumer goods. So we have here the foods, and then the detergent. Okay, so these are the basically our the basic needs of the household. Okay, consumer goods. Next, we have the industrial goods. So these are goods which are purchased in order to make other goods, to serve as a raw material or input in the production of other goods. For example, okay, so we have here some note. Now, when a consumer buys sugar and uses this to sweeten his coffee, the sugar in this case is considered as consumer goods. Directly, he consumed the sugar by putting it into his coffee and then drink the coffee. That is consumer goods. Okay? However, when the sugar is added to flour, to eggs, to chocolate syrup, or to make a brownies, the sugar in this case is an industrial goods. Okay? So we have to take note that if the sugar is purchased for our own consumption, we put that and then consume it immediately. That is considered consumer goods. But when we use that sugar in order to make other goods, then that we consider sugar as, in that case, as industrial goods, because industrial goods is a good which serve as a raw materials or an input in the production of other goods. Okay, I hope that it is clear. Now we go to according to differentiation. Okay, so we have the undifferentiated and we also have the differentiated. Now let's talk first on the undifferentiated goods. So undifferentiated goods, these are products whose physical characteristics are so identical that it would be difficult to distinguish one purchase from one vendor or another. Halimbawa dito, asin. Okay? This is one example of undifferentiated goods. Okay, so most of these products came from nature. For example, the bombay, the ahos, the vegetables, the fruits, okay, undifferentiated. We cannot distinguish, no? We cannot distinguish its brand, okay? So that is undifferentiated goods. Wala man lang siyang label, okay? So as you can see in my example, these are the examples of undifferentiated goods. It would be difficult to distinguish one purchase from one vendor to another kasi wala namang nakalagay dyan na brand. Okay? Now we go to differentiated goods. So it is varied already. Okay, we can now differentiate it. We can now distinguish that purchase from one brand to another. Okay, so it is varied in characteristics and features that make them distinguishable from one another. Okay, so it is differentiated goods. May brand name na siya. Okay. Now we go to according to durability. So consumable products whose benefit can only be used by a consumer for a short period of time. We are talking here about durability. So when it is consumed in a short period of time, it is categorized as consumable products. So here are the examples, some examples of consumable products. It is consumed for a short period of time. Halimbawa dito, food, detergent, okay? Household products, which is consumed in a short period of time. That is consumable products. Now, we go to the semi-durable product. Okay, so this provides benefits to the consumer for a longer period of time, usually spanning several months. So, halimbawa dito, the dress, the shoes, the bags. Okay, so these are some examples of semi-durable products. Okay, so we go to the durable products. These are manufactured to last long time, provide consumers with years of beneficial use. Halimbawa dito, yung mga appliances. Okay, the household appliances, no, the equipments, the automobiles, okay? These durable products, okay, it is basically designed, no, to last for a long period of time. That is why it is categorized as durable products. Okay, now we go to according to type. We have the convenience goods. Number one, convenience goods. Products that are purchased frequently. Yung lagi tayong bumibili dito. Okay? So they are considered as convenience goods. Now we have here the shopping goods. They are purchased less frequently than convenience goods, are relatively more expensive. So halimbawa dito mga damit. Okay? Hindi naman tayo always namimili ng damit. Unlike sa mga convenience goods na halos every week tayo bibili. Okay? So these shopping goods are less frequently uh, purchased. Next is the specialty goods. So these are the goods that requires usually large effort on the part of consumers to acquire. Halimbawa dito yung mga sasakyan. Okay? So they are considered specialty goods. Hindi po lahat nakakabili dito. Okay? So it usually require us no to get more and more savings to buy this type of goods. So they are categorized as specialty goods. The last one is the unsought goods. Okay, so these are goods that consumers seldom actively look for, usually purchased for extraordinary reasons. Okay, so halimbawa dito, yung mga memorial plans, yung mga investment, hindi naman natin, not all of us are looking for it unless uh, unless meron tayong need, okay, for that. That is known as unsought goods. Seldom actively look for, okay? And it is purchased for not usual reasons. Okay? All right, so that would be all for this video. Okay, so on my next video, I will talk about we are done with the uh, products and goods. Then we will go to the characteristics of services on my next video. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.